What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ericka from the Classic Climb blog. What's up, everybody? It's Ericka from the Classic Climb blog. It's your girl Ericka Williams from the Classic Climb blog. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ericka from the Classic Climb blog. We are in, keep driving, we are in a great area. And I just wanted to reach out. Ruining my intro. And okay, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Ericka from the Classic Climb blog. I am enjoying a great mastermind weekend here with several folks. We have some great stuff coming up pretty soon. Say hey, Kiera.
What up?
Say hey, Kendra.
Hi.
All right, anyways, you guys, I'll chat more with you later. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ericka from the Classic Climb blog. As you can see, we are at the retreat house, and I definitely want to just give you guys some updates on the journey, right? The marathon continues. We have some cool events coming up, so here's some of them. I'm gonna give you guys the views that are in front of me in a minute. It looks like June 29th we'll be in Baltimore. Before June 29th, we'll actually be in Belize at a coffee farm, seeing if we're gonna throw in on a coffee farm. So I'll keep you posted on some of those tips and updates. Another thing will be May 18th. We will be with the VIP event where you can come. I think it's limited seating. I think it's 10 or 15 seats, I'm not sure. But I'll have the links below. Essentially, you come, there's an amazing course we put together while we've been here. And when you come, you can talk about your deals, you can break down so many things. I mean, it's gonna be a really great day. It's gonna be catered food. It's gonna be a nice event. So, but it will be also in the DC, Maryland area. So keep that in mind, May 18th, the VIP event. That'll have Charm City buyers, that'll have the key resource and others. Sometime around FedCon, there'll be another event coming, and I think you guys will really enjoy a lot of the events we're putting together, because a lot of you asked the same questions. Where are we gonna be? When is the events? And I think it'll be really helpful. Some things to take away from this weekend. Let's see. This weekend, we got to put together courses, got to project where we were heading for the year. And I think it's really important for you to plan your year. If you don't plan your year, then you look up and you didn't hit any of your goals. I also, while I was here, did a mastermind inside of a mastermind. Now, what do I mean? I literally got on the phone with a YouTube specialist to figure out how to better serve this channel, right? To serve this channel and to serve other future channels that I have about coming in this year. A lot of times what we understand is everyone thinks we wanna do things by ourselves. They just don't work that way. Teamwork makes the dream work, and people think that's a silly saying, but it really is. And this year's theme, I keep repeating to you guys, is super teams. Super teams are a way for you to lift yourself where you're deficient. So many times people say, well, Eric, I want to buy a property, but I don't have this or I don't have that. You have to really take a self-assessment of where you are. What skills do you have? Where can you improve your business? Because at the end of the day, a lot of people are just out there throwing anything against the wall. And the thing about business is it runs on systems. If you want to hire people, it has to run on systems. If you want to work with others, you have to run on systems. So hopefully the upcoming videos you guys will get from me will help you understand how that comes, right? How do you build systems? How do you have a company, structure it, build it, and scale it? And this is why it's taken me so long to put the YouTube 6-figure YouTube course together, because I've hit certain benchmarks in my business, but want to hit bigger ones. Same thing goes for how do you create companies where they don't require your presence, where they don't require you doing something every single day. You're gonna have to hire people, and you're gonna have to put together scripts to hire folks. You're gonna have to put together things for them to do all day. You know, the reason people don't like interning or working under people sometime in apprenticeships, because sometimes they have a lot of empty schedule space. And the problem is most people don't want to delegate. What does that mean? Most people will say, no one can do it like I can do it, Ericka. That's true. That's perfectionism. No one can do it like you can do it. But if they can do it 80% of the way, even better, right? If they can do it 70% of the way, that's a great employee, and you shouldn't like let them go because they can't do it perfect. So some of the tips for the day, some of the feedback for this weekend, super teams is still what I'm on. Number 2, you have to grow. You have to grow. If you want to grow this year, this is a great year like any other. You can't time the market. There is no timing the market. So if you get in and you start talking with people and educating yourself, you won't say, well, you know, I'm waiting for the recession. That doesn't make sense. deals are to be had right now, right? So make sure you're aiming, one, you're doing a great self-assessment of what skills you have, what talents you have, what capital you have on yourself right now, so where you can place yourself. If you don't have a lot of capital, you may need to go figure out how to make more money right now so that you can have more capital, so you can have more say in your deals. Because if you're a person who's passively investing, now what do I mean passively investing? $1,000 here or there in lending club or monthly dividend stocks, that's still investing. It's just not as strong as a position as a person who owns the whole rental, right? Or if you're in Todd Milley Group or Black Seed Fund Group, you know, you have a $500 to $1,000 stake, and it's important. Your stake is important, but it's not like you own the whole property. And it takes time to get there, and just figure out what you're missing. Are you missing capital? Are you missing credit? Are you missing networking and partnerships? Figure out what part you're missing, and it'll help you. So we'll try to put together another video, but I'm gonna show you guys outside. So this right here is more beautiful, beautiful Maryland here. Now, I've always been oh, the Carolinas are the best in Virginia, but Maryland has its points. It has good points here. I'll just say we're near Navy. We're near the Navy school over here. It's got a lower deck as well. Anyways, you guys, hope your year comes out strong. Again, that's where you are. Is it credit, capital, or time? You need to be strong in one. And if you have no credit and you have no capital, you can't just say you have time. That's an employee. You gotta show somebody that you have a skill that you can help them build their company or business with. Later, guys.